In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Asus TUF Gaming F15 not turning on. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply unplug your charger from your laptop right here. And basically right after that, you then want to simply hold the power button for a couple of seconds. You can try holding it for around 40 to 60 seconds right here after making sure that you have unplugged your device. Now, for most people, the next step is going to work, which is by pressing the Fn button, which is going to be the function key. And from there, you then want to press F7, and you also want to press F8. So if F7 did not work, you then want to proceed to the F8, which is going to be Fn F7. If it didn't work, Fn F8. Now, for most people, this step is going to work. But if not, we then have another solution, which is by pressing Control, Shift, Windows, and then the B button. From there, this is going to be the last method on which will solve the Asus TUF Gaming F15 not working. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.